Hello everyone, this is another AMC 8 prep course random question videos. Each of the cards shown below has a number on one side and a letter on the other side. How many cards must be turned over to prove the correctness of the statement that if a card has a vowel on one side, then it has a prime number on the other side? Now there's an important fact we need to know before this, right? So that is, if this is logic, this is mathematical logic. If P, then Q, then that means if not Q, then not P. Let me explain. For example, if it rains, the tennis court will be wet, right? Of course. If the tennis court is not wet, then it couldn't have rained. I'm typing this right now, so as shown here, I've just typed it. If it rains, the tennis court will be wet. If the tennis court is not wet, then it couldn't have rained. That's how it works. If the tennis court was wet, it is not necessarily showing that it has rained. And if it has rained, of course, the tennis court will be wet. It has been stated already. But if it is not raining, the tennis court might still be wet. Hopefully you understand now. And I'm gonna delete it. Let's get back doing our math problem. Yeah, okay. So, so we have said this. Now we can simply just check if P, the P in this case is, in the statement, it has a vowel. So if vowel, it has to be prime, that's what it's saying, right? So let's check the vowel. So we need to flip that one over, that's one flip. Now we also need to check not prime, right? Not prime. So which one's not prime? 4 is not prime, so we only have to check 2. And it's that easy. That's immediately our answer, 2. Thanks.